The real world of Andrew Tate is a realm where making money takes center stage. In this world, Andrew Tate, known for his success in entrepreneurship and self-development, shares insights and strategies on how to build wealth and achieve financial independence. Inside this world, you'll find a treasure trove of practical advice, motivational resources, and actionable steps to unlock your earning potential. Andrew Tate's real world is a place where hustle meets opportunity, where hard work and determination pave the way for success. Through his teachings, you'll learn the importance of discipline, mindset, and strategic thinking in the pursuit of prosperity. Whether you're looking to start a business, invest in real estate, or explore online ventures, Andrew Tate offers guidance on how to navigate the competitive landscape of money-making. Within the confines of Andrew Tate's world, you'll discover the power of goal setting, the value of continuous learning, and the significance of taking calculated risks. By delving into his insights on wealth accumulation and financial freedom, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the principles that govern prosperity. From the importance of resilience in the face of challenges to the significance of adapting to market trends, Andrew Tate's world provides a roadmap for those seeking to thrive in the realm of wealth creation. In this world, Andrew Tate sheds light on the mindset shifts required to break free from limitations and embrace the possibilities of abundance. Through his own experiences and successes, he offers a glimpse into the mindset of a successful entrepreneur, guiding you on a journey towards financial empowerment. By exploring the strategies and tactics that have propelled him to success, you'll gain valuable insights into the inner workings of a money-making mindset. So, step into Andrew Tate's real world, where the pursuit of wealth is not just a dream but a tangible reality waiting to be seized. With a blend of practical wisdom, motivational wisdom, and actionable advice, Andrew Tate's world offers a blueprint for those ready to embark on a journey towards financial independence. Explore the depths of this realm, absorb the lessons it holds, and use its teachings to carve your path towards prosperity in the ever-evolving world of money-making.